Here's a 2025 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. It's well equipped with the features you need: V8 engine, adaptive suspension, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, four-wheel drive, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional grade tool. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. Visit today. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.